You can't hear the screaming up there, but we can.
Don't worry, we're not doing anything to retaliate. Just saying.
Why retaliate? They couldn't hear it over their own noise.
There you go.
And there's more than one child up there running. They're being chased. This is intentional now. Unbelievable. That there can't be anybody to move people in and explain to them what hard surface flooring is all about. And some of the things they might have to deal with. We deal with already the amount of noise we deal with, but this is ridiculous. These people stomp, they don't try to do anything, but I realize that's them walking. But them hastening this child to run is not okay. That's not reasonable. They're being chased. I'll take this right back to court like I did Monet, and the court will not be okay with this, just like they weren't with her.
Every day since they moved in, this is it. And that's terrible.
Him falling.
He fell. He's probably back up running.
Nothing reasonable about that. I guarantee you Adele's kids above her are not doing this to her and to this family. See, they're chasing them.
What for? What are they doing this for?
We're going to go ahead and involve the police. We aren't going to do this anymore. And if I have to bring the courts in again, I'll do that too.
What did we do to deserve this?
We did nothing to deserve this. That's all I'm going to give you. I'll save the rest for the court.